How to share your profile on eBay to Instagram directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your profile on eBay to your Instagram directly, easy and fast. So all what you have to do, go to eBay. Now let's go to the home page. Now all what you have to do is go to your profile from here in the top corner, click on your profile picture, and this is my profile as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do to share your profile on Instagram is by clicking on those three dots here. Click on them and choose share, and swipe right if you didn't find your Instagram, and here is it. Click on Instagram and it will be shared automatically and directly. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.